Hey everyone, today's video is part of the Introduction to SQL series, and I'll be showing you how to create and delete database in the SQL server. To create a database, simply run the command create database followed by the name of your database. To see the new database we have created, refresh the Object Explorer and you will see your new database under databases. Now we can begin to use our new database to store different data such as entities, attributes, tables, and records. To do this, simply type use followed by the name of the database and execute this command. You would notice that our database is now active. To delete the database we just created, we'll need to return to master, which is one of the system databases. Now we are currently in the master database, and from here we can delete the database that we created. To do that, simply type drop database followed by the name of the database we want to delete. Execute this command. You should get an error message. It should say something like cannot drop database because it's currently in use. Let me explain this. By default, the engine assigns multiple user connection to every database we create. To be able to delete a database, we will need to reset this to single user connection. And then our drop database command would work. Let's try this. To set single user connection on our database, we need to write alter database followed by the database we want to alter its properties, and then you type set single user with rollback immediate. Run this command and then run your drop database command, and our database would be successfully deleted. To confirm that it has been successfully deleted, we can attempt to use the deleted database again. Simply type use the name of the deleted database and run the command and see if it would work. Now you can see that the database no longer exists. Please don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Also, subscribe to see new contents from me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.